Welcome to Windsor Mazda, located in Windsor, Ontario. My name is Ramon, and today we are talking about when to change your vehicle's wipers and 5 signs that you need new wiper blades. Your vehicle wipers are responsible for letting you see clearly through snow, ice, sleet, hail, and even mud and dirt. Without your wipers, you wouldn't be able to stay safe on the road. It would help if you're replacing your wipers every 6 months to a year, depending on how much you drive and how harsh the climate is. Let's take a look at the top 5 signs you should replace your wipers. 1. The rubber on the blade is cracked or failing. The rubber on your wipers can be damaged by exposure to the elements of UV rays. If rubber is cracking or looking brittle, it won't make proper contact with the windshield. This means that performance will be affected and you won't see clearly. 2. Your wipers are leaving streaks on your windshield. Squeaky wipers are a sure sign that your windshield wipers should be replaced. A bit of streaking is normal, but if you notice a film or grime or dirt on your windshield even after you spray the windshield washer fluid, your wipers may need to be replaced. 3. You hear too much squeaking and chattering. If you're hearing much dragging and squeaking from your wipers when you're dragging across the glass, it's probably time to replace them. Again, a bit of squeaking is normal. However, chattering means that the plastic is being dragged across the glass and the wiper is not contacting it properly. This results in a poor vision for driving. 4. The frame of the blade is bent or damaged. If particular areas of the windshield won't get clean, check out the frame of the blade, the rigid plastic and metal that keeps the blade in place. Wiper frames can be damaged quite easily. This is especially common when scraping ice and snow off your car in the winter. 5. The rubber adhesive is failing and the blades aren't making consistent contact with your windshield. Another common issue is that the rubber adhesive, which holds the blade onto the frame, can fail. This may result in poor quality overall performance and contact with the windshield. The rubber blade will flop around because it's only partially held onto the blade frame. Typically, this is the most noticeable around the edges of your blade, as this is where the rubber adhesive tends to fail first. While you may be able to glue the rubber back into place, this is usually a sign that it's best to replace the windshield wiper completely. Contact us whether you're looking for someone to install a new pair of wipers to prepare you for winter in Windsor. We have a wide variety of automotive accessories for sales, including windshield wipers. So don't let a faulty pair of wipers put you in a dangerous situation. Come to Windsor Mazda today for a replacement and be prepared for the winter. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.